This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Lescht. Updated 2-bedroom 1/2 bath condo with lovely water view from glass enclosed terrace with hurricane shutters. Upgrades include newer upgraded kitchen, laminate floors in living area. 2 sliding doors from both bedrooms, remodeled bathrooms. Move right in, price to sell. Owner will replace carpeting in bedrooms or give a credit. Can be rented after closing, steps to garbage chute community pool. Bus and parking. Century Village has a fabulous active over 55 clubhouse with shows, tennis, pickleball, gym, indoor and outdoor pools. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Lescht at 561-981-9400.